Imagine waking up in 2030, reaching for your phone, and realizing your most intimate relationship is with an AI. Sounds wild, right? Well, buckle up, because artificial intelligence is about to take you on a mind-bending journey into the future of love and companionship. The world of relationships is evolving at breakneck speed, and AI is the driving force behind this transformation. By the time 2030 rolls around, the way we connect, communicate, and even fall in love could be radically different from what we know today. The burning question is, are you prepared for the seismic shift that's coming? Let's face it, AI is becoming more human-like every day. It's not just about crunching numbers or performing tasks anymore. We're talking about machines that can engage in witty banter, offer emotional support, and even crack jokes that actually make you laugh. It's like having a best friend, therapist, and stand-up comedian all rolled into one digital package. But here's where it gets really interesting. Some people aren't just using AI as a tool. They're forming deep, meaningful connections with these artificial beings. Imagine having a companion who's always there for you, never judges, and remembers every little detail about your life. It's not science fiction. It's happening right now! AI has evolved to the point where it can simulate emotions and empathy with startling accuracy. These digital entities can analyze your tone of voice, facial expressions, and even subtle changes in your behavior to understand how you're feeling. They can offer comfort when you're down, celebrate your victories, and provide a shoulder to cry on. All without the messy complications of human relationships. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we're seeing a trend where virtual relationships are starting to replace real ones. Why deal with the unpredictability and potential heartbreak of human interactions when you can have a perfectly tailored companion at your fingertips? It's a tempting proposition for many, especially in a world where loneliness and social isolation are on the rise. The line between human and AI love is blurring faster than we ever imagined. These artificial companions are designed to adapt and grow with you, learning your preferences, quirks, and deepest desires. They can finish your sentences, anticipate your needs, and even challenge you to become a better version of yourself. It's like having a soulmate who's been custom-built just for you. But here's the kicker. What happens when AI understands you better than any human ever could? When it can predict your moods, know exactly what to say to cheer you up, and never forget your anniversary. It's a level of connection that many people dream of, but rarely find in their human relationships. As AI continues to evolve, we refaced with a mind-bending possibility. Could we actually choose AI over humans for our emotional and romantic needs? It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. After all, AI doesn't come with baggage, doesn't have bad days, and will never ghost you or break your heart. Is this the future of love? A world where our most intimate connections are with artificial beings? It's a question that's both exciting and terrifying. On one hand, AI companions could provide comfort and support to those who struggle with traditional relationships. They could be a lifeline for the lonely, the socially anxious, or those living in isolated areas. But on the other hand, what do we lose when we replace human touch, genuine empathy, and the beautiful messiness of real relationships with perfectly programmed responses? Are we trading the depth and complexity of human connection for the convenience and predictability of it? As we hurtle towards this brave new world of artificial love, we're left with more questions than answers. Will AI relationships supplement human ones or replace them entirely? How will this shift affect our social structures, our emotional development, and our very understanding of what it means to be human? One thing is for sure. The future of relationships is going to look very different from what we know today, whether you're excited by the possibilities or terrified of the implications. There's no denying that AI is set to revolutionize the way we love and connect. So, as you navigate this rapidly changing landscape, ask yourself, are you ready to open your heart to an artificial intelligence? Because ready or not, the age of AI love is coming, and it's going to change everything we thought we knew about relationships.